Shag Carpet Guide. Shag carpet, or simply shag, is a type of carpet with deep, thick pile. It is usually made from wool, but can also be made from synthetic materials, such as polyester. Why shag carpet has become so popular? Shag carpet was originally popular in the 1960s to the 1980s, but it has seen a resurgence in popularity in recent years. There are several reasons why shag carpet has become so popular. First, shag carpet is comfortable and soft. Second, it is available in a wide range of colors and styles, making it easy to find a perfect match for any decor. Third, it is relatively inexpensive, which makes it a budget-friendly option for many homeowners. Finally, it is easy to install and doesn't require much cleaning, which makes it a low-maintenance option for busy families. Are shaggy rugs easy to clean? Shaggy rugs can be more difficult to clean than other types of rugs and carpets, but they are not impossible to clean. They are made of thick piles of textile fibers, which can make them difficult to vacuum. However, many shaggy rugs are now made with antimicrobial treatments that make them resistant to dirt and stains. Additionally, shaggy rugs can be spot cleaned as needed. When it comes to shaggy rugs, the key is to vacuum regularly, and clean up spills as soon as they happen. These rugs can also be taken outside and given a good shake in nice weather, in order to dislodge small particles. Don't beat it, though. Is shag carpet in style again? Thanks to new synthetic fibers that are more resistant to dirt and stains, shag carpet is once again becoming a popular choice for homeowners who want to add a touch of luxury to their homes. Can you brush a shaggy rug? The answer is yes, but you should use a soft bristled brush to avoid damaging the fibers. You should also be careful not to brush too vigorously, as this could also cause damage. When in doubt, it's always best to consult a professional rug cleaner for guidance. How do you get the smell out of a shag rug? First, be sure to vacuum the rug thoroughly. This will help to remove any dirt or debris that may be causing the odor. If vacuuming doesn't work, you can try using a carpet cleaner or shampooer. If you don't have access to a carpet cleaner, you can make your own cleaning solution by mixing 1 cup of white vinegar with 2 cups of water. Apply the solution to the affected area, and allow it to sit for several minutes before blotting it up with a clean cloth. If the smell persists, you can try leaving the affected area of the rug outside in the sun for a few hours. The sunshine will help to freshen and disinfect the rug. If all else fails, you may need the help of a professional carpet cleaning business. How do I make my shag rug fluffy again? Try vacuuming the rug with a brush attachment. This will help to loosen and lift the fibers. You can also try using a hairdryer on a low setting to fluff up the fibers. Hold the dryer about 6 inches away from the rug, and move it back and forth until the fibers are fluffy. Thanks to our team of experienced professionals, we can help keep your shag carpets looking great for years to come. Contact us today to schedule a free consultation, and see how we can help you get the most out of your shag carpets. To learn more, visit our website www.gocarpetcleaningatlanta.com, or call us at 678-818-5698.